Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let's see ways to increase our immune system to fight against coronavirus. Point number 1, drinking a glass of water with 2 tablespoons of honey. Our next point is adding jaggery, that is good in our daily meal. You can add 2 tablespoons of low-fat ghee and have along with your roti or chapati. Third point is adding pulses and green leafy vegetables in your daily diet. Our fourth point is fruits. Try to have at least one fruit in a day. The fifth point is drinking lots of water. Drink half an hour before the meal and 1 hour after the meal. Our next point is doing daily exercise. Try to do yoga or any other fitness exercise of your choice along with some breathing exercise, which will increase your blood and reduces your stress. Our next point is drinking a glass of milk. You can add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder to it and also try to eat 1 tablespoon of Chyawanprash daily. Next point is taking face steam, especially when you go out. It will kill any type of viruses which have entered in our body. Our last point is to sit at least a minute in front of God and pray and thank for life. I hope this video was useful to you. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. Eat clean, stay safe and stay at home. Take care. Bye.